We are excited to share that our new book, Mastering Crypto Assets, Investing in Bitcoin, Ethereum and Beyond, is available today wherever you buy your books. Now more than ever, investors need a guide to navigating today's complex digital asset landscape. As crypto evolves alongside traditional finance, understanding its integration into your portfolio is more important than ever. Whether you are a novice investor or a budding expert, consider this book as your compass in navigating these uncharted waters, especially with the rise of the Bitcoin ETFs.
With the dynamic world of crypto assets, our book offers a grounded, evidence-based approach to investing. We cover everything from the fundamentals of blockchain technology to advanced investment strategies. It's designed to provide clarity amidst the complexity, ensuring you can make informed investment decisions. Whether you're an individual investor or managing assets for institutions, this book is an indispensable tool for navigating the dynamic world of digital currencies.
We believe that mastering crypto assets bridges the gap between traditional investment methodologies and the new age of digital assets. The book provides actionable perspectives and strategies to enable sophisticated investors to efficiently allocate to cryptocurrencies. Join us as we explore the unique risks and opportunities of this emerging investment arena. We are confident that the book, combined with MarketVector's substantial research output, will help provide a clear path for successful investing in this dynamic new asset class.